The next is thyroid gland. Where is the location of thyroid gland? It is in the neck area and it is below the larynx. What is larynx? Larynx is the voice box. Below larynx, there will be a thyroid gland. The hormone released by this thyroid gland is thyroxine. How does it help? Let us see. Thyroxine regulates carbohydrate, protein, and fat metabolism in the body. Metabolism, that means metabolic activities. What are metabolic activities? They are life processes, and we already learned about life processes, right? So the carbohydrates, proteins, and fats in this life processes will be controlled by this thyroxine hormone, so that there will be proper growth of different parts of the body. Now, think of a situation, if there is a deficiency of this, then what will happen? You might have heard that iodine is necessary in our diet. Have you heard this? Why iodine is necessary in our regular diet? Because iodine is necessary for thyroid gland to produce thyroxine hormone. What it is? Iodine is necessary for thyroid gland to produce thyroxine hormone. If there is a deficiency of iodine, then what will happen? It may cause a goiter. What is goiter? Goiter is a disease in which we have a swollen neck, right? So because of deficiency of iodine, it can cause the disease. So this is all about thyroid gland and thyroxine. Then next, let me give you an example. Have you ever come across a person in your family or friends who has been advised by the doctor to take less sugar in their diet because they are suffering from diabetes? So, who will help for this? There is a gland named pancreas. Pancreas releases a hormone called insulin, and the function of insulin is to regulate blood sugar level. So what happens if there is a deficiency of this insulin? Then it causes disease like diabetes. So when there is deficiency of insulin, what happens? It does not control the sugar level. And if it does not control sugar level, the sugar level will keep on increasing and there will be more amount of sugar level in the blood, and that causes diabetes and a person becomes diabetic. That is why maybe you have heard that the persons who are suffering from diabetes, as a treatment, they are taking injections of insulin. For this reason, that insulin controls the blood sugar level. So, hormone is insulin. It is secreted by pancreas gland and it regulates blood sugar level. The next is adrenal gland. Where is the location of this adrenal glands? You can see in the figure, it is above the kidneys. We know that kidneys are in a pair. Same way, adrenal glands are also in a pair and they are exactly above the kidneys. They secrete hormone called adrenaline. The gland is adrenal gland and they secrete hormone adrenaline. What do? They help in regulation of blood pressure, heartbeat, and that is why it is called that they are helping in emergency situations. This adrenaline is secreted directly into the blood and it is carried to different parts of the body. Who will carry it? Blood, of course. The target organs, or else we can say the specific organs. For examples, heart. So it directly goes to the heart, and as a result, the heart will beat faster. You must have noticed many dramatic changes in your appearance, as well as that of your friends as you have approached to this age. This changes associated with puberty. This we have learned in standard 8, puberty and adolescence. And this all changes are because of the secretion of testosterone in males and estrogen in females. So, in the figure also you can observe it. There is a gland called testes in males which secretes testosterone. What is the function of testosterone? It helps in development of male sex organs. So that means this testosterone helps in development of male reproductive organs. Then there are ovaries in females which secretes estrogen, and it helps for development of female sex organs, that means female reproductive organs, as well as it regulates menstrual cycle. About this menstrual cycle we will learn in detail in chapter number 8 and 9. So this much you will remember for this. So here we have completed the main endocrine glands and their hormones and their functions. Let us refer to table number 7.1, some important hormones and their functions. This you will fill in your textbook with a pencil. This is given on page number 125. Let us once again revise. First is growth hormone. It is released by pituitary gland. Function of it is to stimulate growth in all organs. Second is thyroxine hormone, which is secreted by thyroid gland, and function is to regulate metabolism for body growth. Third is insulin, which is secreted by pancreas, and the function is to regulate blood sugar level. Fourth is testosterone, which is secreted by testes in males, which helps in development of male sex organs. Fifth is estrogen, which is secreted by ovaries in females, which helps for development of female sex organs. It helps to regulate menstrual cycle. Sixth is adrenaline, which is secreted by adrenal gland, and the function of it is to regulate blood pressure, heartbeat, etc. And seventh is releasing hormones, which are secreted by hypothalamus. It helps to stimulate, or else we can say to control, pituitary gland to release different hormones. So this is all about endocrine system. This is all about today's session. Thank you.